Okay, let's know something about Express. It is a back-end web framework for making RESTful APIs with Node. What it can do actually is that it can provide a robust set of features for web and mobile applications, besides helping in creating a robust API in a quick and easy way, and it is also in a good relationship with Node, which will help deliver us a better performance and features when we use them combined. It also comes with some useful and popular frameworks to reduce our work. It is so simple to create and run an Express app with Node, like this simple example here. First, we have to install and require Express in our app. Then, we have to create a new Express app. Now, we can do things like HTTP requests, such as GET and POST requests in our app. Finally, we should define a port for our app, on which we will be able to listen to all these requests. Routing, static files serving, and a lot more features come packed with Express. So, from the next module, let's start building a new Node Express app locally. See you in the next video.